Mexico shoes. Your total comes to 322 pesos.
Do you know if I could get reimbursed for the taxes? I'm from another country.
You can apply to the government to get the taxes back. Ask the customs officer for the paperwork at the border when you leave the country.
Have you heard from him today?
No, I haven't. Would you like me to call him?
That would be great. Could you please ask him if he sees any problems that we'll need to address right away? The final version of that proposal is due at the end of the week.
Yes, I'll let you know what I find out. I'll email you as soon as I get off the phone with him.
Number 65. Why do the speakers want to talk to Mr. Griffin? Number 66. What is the man concerned about? Number 67. How will the woman contact Mr. Griffin? Questions 68 through 70 refer to the following conversation.
Do you think the dry weather we've been having will affect the price of your tomato crop this year?
We should be all right. We've been able to keep the soil irrigated so far, and we are expecting rain in the next week or so. Since we meet right before the lunch hour. As you probably know, we'll be meeting every Friday for the next 3 months. By the end of that time, I hope you'll all be feeling stronger and healthier. This class is designed for all levels, so don't worry if you're a little out of shape right now. I'll demonstrate the exercises and show you ways to modify them so everyone can get a good workout without overdoing it.
Number 71. How most